Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer and we have got some beautiful new shoes in from Barker. It's the Barker Kirkby. It's a beautiful plain shoe, derby fastening. Remember, when you can see the D there, it's derby fastening. It's not stitched in at the bottom. So we've got the derby fastening, not the Oxford. It's a Goodyear welted shoe, a beautiful shoe, full leather heel stack, lovely binding on the edge, full leather lining, leather insole, Goodyear welted, Barber welt, and the fabulous Dainite sole. This sole is superb. It just goes on and on and on, this sole, and when it's ready for repair, of course here at the Shoe Healer we have all the original Dainite components to rebuild this shoe, but that's such a long way off. This is a really lovely substantial shoe. It feels quite substantial in my hand, it feels heavy. You just know you can get 20 years out of this shoe. Of course, you're going to have to put some cream on to nourish and look after the uppers. You're going to have to be very careful where you do take it for repairs, because a bad repairer will shorten the life of your shoe terribly. This is absolutely gorgeous. Under this light, the colour for me and the shoe is not exactly perfect, but you'll be able to see the pictures on our website. Any information you want on this shoe, the Kirkby from Barker, just give us a call.